Today I'm going to talk about what I believe is the best online business model for beginners. It's called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, there's no need to create your own products as you'll promote other people's products for which you will be paid a commission. There are very low startup costs. All you need is a computer with Wi-Fi connection and a few low-cost tools to get started. It's quite possible to start out with free marketing methods, and if you do decide to use paid marketing, you can start testing for as little as $5 to $10 a day. There's no customer service to worry about. You avoid many of the hassles normally associated with setting up your own business. With affiliate marketing, someone else creates a product, builds a website, handles all the shipping and customer service, and your job is simply to send people to that website using a special affiliate link. If you're looking to generate an income online using a tried and tested method, affiliate marketing is hard to beat.